Sexual attraction is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that involves a combination of emotional, physical, and cognitive changes because of and in response to another individual. It's distinct from other forms of attraction such as romantic, aesthetic, or platonic attraction. Several main factors and processes cause and contribute to the phenomenon of sexual attraction, including biological, psychological, and sociocultural. Sexual attraction is primarily the feeling of being emotionally and physically drawn toward another individual in a sexual manner. It's an innate biological response that can be influenced by a multitude of factors, including physical appearance, pheromones, personality traits, and social cues. Sexual attraction can be distinguished from other states by its specific focus on sexual interest and desire. Unlike platonic and aesthetic attraction, it involves a strong desire for sexual contact or a sexual relationship with the other person. This state can overpower other emotions or thoughts, leading to a sense of being consumed by the attraction. When sexually attracted to someone, individuals often find their attention intensely focused on the object of their attraction. They may become more aware of and interested in the person's actions, words, and presence. Sexual attraction can lead to frequent thoughts or fantasies about the individual, including imagining sexual scenarios or future relationships with them. There can be heightened feelings of excitement, happiness, or even nervousness when thinking about or being around the other person. One of the most notable signs of sexual attraction is physical arousal. This may include an increased heart rate, blushing, or sexual arousal, for example, erection in males, lubrication in females. Body language often changes subconsciously. People might engage in behaviors like grooming, for example, fixing hair and clothes, mirroring the other person's actions, or trying to be in close physical proximity to them. Neurochemicals like dopamine and serotonin increase, leading to feelings of pleasure and happiness. Sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen also play a crucial role in sexual attraction and response. People often idealize the person they're sexually attracted to, focusing on their positive qualities and overlooking potential flaws. Sexual attraction can sometimes lead to compromised decision-making, where individuals may take risks or might make choices that they wouldn't typically make. Some individuals might experience a boost in creativity or motivation, driven by the desire to impress or connect with the person that they're attracted to. There's often a strong desire for physical and sexual intimacy with the person someone is sexually attracted to. Individuals might seek opportunities to be near or interact with the person, whether physically or through communication channels. Sometimes, people may prioritize the person they're sexually attracted to or the pursuit of sexual fulfillment over other activities or responsibilities. Understanding the biological influences on sexual attraction requires awareness of genetic and evolutionary factors, the role of pheromones and chemical signals, as well as the influence of brain chemistry and hormones. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the biological underpinnings of sexual attraction. Evolutionarily, symmetry in physical features is often associated with health and genetic fitness. Studies have shown that individuals with more symmetrical faces are generally perceived as more attractive. This perception is thought to be linked to an unconscious interpretation of symmetry as a sign of genetic robustness and good health. Certain body ratios are seen as markers of fertility and health. For example, a waist-to-hip ratio of approximately 0.7 in women and a shoulder-to-hip ratio of around 1.0 in men are often cited as highly attractive. These ratios are believed to signal optimal levels of estrogen and testosterone, indicating fertility and good health. Research indicates that individuals are often attracted to others with different major histocompatibility complex or MHC genes, which are crucial for the immune system. This difference in MHC may be detected through scent and is thought to be an evolutionary strategy to enhance offspring's immunity. Pheromones are chemicals found in male and female sweat and urine and might play a role in sexual attraction, although the biological methods of action are still under investigation. Axillary steroids are compounds found in body odor, primarily in the axillary or armpit region. Axillary steroids are believed to communicate reproductive fitness. Studies suggest that people can subconsciously detect genetic compatibility through body odor, which is influenced by an individual's immune system and genetics. Testosterone and estrogen are the primary male and female sex hormones. Higher levels of testosterone are associated with increased sexual desire in both men and women. Estrogen, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in female sexual health and arousal. Oxytocin and vasopressin, often referred to as the love hormones, are released during intimate activities like hugging, kissing, or sexual intercourse. Oxytocin enhances social bonding and trust, while vasopressin is linked to certain social behaviors and social bonding in males. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter associated with the reward pathway in the brain. It's released during pleasurable activities, including sexual activity, and plays a significant role in the feeling of attraction and love. Serotonin is known for its role in mood regulation. Serotonin levels can influence feelings of happiness and well-being, which are integral to sexual attraction and romantic relationships. The hypothalamus is the area of the brain that regulates basic functions including hunger, thirst, and sexual response. It's directly influenced by sex hormones. The limbic system is responsible for emotional processing. The limbic system plays a key role in sexual attraction, particularly in the processing of emotional responses to potential mates. Understanding the psychological influences of sexual attraction requires awareness of aspects like physical attractiveness, personality traits, attachment styles, and the psychological processes like projection and idealization. Each of these plays a pivotal role in shaping how individuals experience and express sexual attraction. People often find symmetrical, average faces more attractive. This might be because average features suggest genetic diversity. Certain features like large eyes, high cheekbones, or a strong jawline in men are often considered universally appealing. Beyond just body ratios, overall body shape and the way a person carries themselves, their posture, significantly impact perceived attractiveness. For instance, a confident posture can enhance perceived attractiveness. People are often attracted to others who share similar interests and values. This is known as similarity attraction theory, but sometimes might also be drawn to those who possess complementary traits, balancing their own. Qualities like kindness, a good sense of humor, intelligence, and confidence are universally attractive. Charisma and social skills also play a significant role in attraction. The ability to understand and respond to one's emotions and to those of others can significantly enhance attractiveness as it facilitates deeper emotional connections. Secure, anxious, and avoidant attachment styles formed in early childhood significantly affect how individuals approach adult relationships. Securely attached individuals typically have healthier and more stable relationships. Some people are subconsciously drawn to partners who reflect the dynamics they experienced in childhood, even if these patterns are unhealthy. Individual experiences, including past relationships, shape future attractions. Positive or negative experiences can lead to specific patterns in partner selection. Exposure to different cultures through travel or media can broaden or alter one's perceptions of attractiveness. Understanding the sociocultural influences of sexual attraction requires awareness of how cultural standards of beauty, social and economic factors, familiarity and proximity, and individual socialization and experiences shape and define our attractions to others. What's considered sexually attractive can vary significantly across different cultures and time periods, influenced by media portrayals, cultural narratives, and historical contexts. For instance, in some cultures, a fuller body is considered a sign of beauty and prosperity, whereas in others, a leaner physique is preferred. With globalization, there's an increasing homogenization of beauty standards, influenced heavily by Western media. However, local cultural nuances still play a significant role. Over time, beauty standards evolve. For example, traits that were once considered highly attractive in certain cultures may change with modern influences and progressive societal changes. Individuals often find status, power, and economic stability attractive. This can be linked to evolutionary preferences for partners capable of providing resources and security. One's position in the social hierarchy can influence both how they are perceived by potential partners and their own preferences for partners. Ownership of material goods, such as cars, houses, or fashionable clothing, can be perceived as indicators of desirability. People tend to develop attractions towards those they are frequently in close proximity to or with whom they have regular interactions. This is known as the mere exposure effect, where familiarity breeds liking. Shared environments like workplaces, schools, or neighborhoods provide opportunities for interactions that can spark attraction. The values and beliefs imparted during upbringing significantly shape preferences and attitudes towards potential partners. For example, in cultures where family approval is paramount, this can play a significant role in partner choice. Peer groups and social circles can influence what qualities are seen as attractive, often conforming to the norms of the group. Sexual attraction is not just a simple, instinctive reaction, but is instead a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and sociocultural factors. It varies widely among individuals and can change over time. Understanding this complexity is crucial for both psychological study and individual self-awareness in relationships and sexual health. This understanding helps in recognizing the diverse nature of human sexuality and the various factors that contribute to the unique patterns of attraction experienced by each individual.